Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to uninstall Norton from Windows and remove it completely, no matter which version you have. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings, then click Apps and select Apps and Features. This will show a list of all installed programs on your PC. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Norton. Click on it and select Uninstall, then confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove the main program. After uninstalling, Norton often leaves behind residual files. To remove these, download the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool from the official Norton website. Run the tool, select Remove Only, and follow the instructions to clean up leftover files and services. Once the removal is complete, restart your computer. This ensures all Norton components are fully deleted. For extra cleanup, check C:"Program Files and C:"Program Files open (x86), close parenthesis for any remaining Norton folders and delete them. You can also run the Windows Disk Cleanup tool to remove temporary files. By following these steps, you can completely uninstall Norton from Windows and ensure your system is free of leftover files or services. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.